I was using Lovable to vibe code, but then GoHighLevel just launched the new AI studio. And I decided to challenge myself and test that feature live with you right now to see if that's actually worth the hype. Because the great thing about AI Studio is that you can vibe code tools, lead magnets, and even digital products without having to buy credits. Unlike Lovable, when you publish, it's sitting on a real foundation where you can connect to your calendar, your CRM, and hopefully in the future to your whole business. And that's the difference between building something on sand and building on stones. In this video, we are going to test this AI studio together. I want to see if I can clone an entire sales page that I've built in Lovable using this AI studio. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, but before we start playing around with AI studio, we need to activate that first because this is a beta feature. So if you don't have labs activated, to go to your agency level first. And here you are going to click on settings and go on advanced settings, and you need to scroll down and make sure the lab features are turned on. Then you're going to go back and go to your sub account. Once you are in your sub account, you need to go to settings, click on labs, and if you scroll down, you need to toggle AI Studio on. And when you go back here, AI Studio is going to be showing up. When I got in, I could see all the features that you can actually build using this, including landing pages, portfolios, task managers, chat applications, fitness trackers, social media feed, and even a custom weather dashboard. I've been testing vibe coding a lot this past year, and one of the things that this tool really shines is for building lead magnets. So stay until the end, and I'm going to give you a tease of what's possible in a lead magnet that you can create to grow your community using this AI studio. But now I want to show you how you can clone any website. But first, a quick disclaimer so you are aware that cloning websites is usually illegal because there are some copyrighted images, logos, and copyrighted content that you should not just clone. Cloning a website for vibe coding is legal only if you create a unique design inspired by the original, rather than copying protected elements like the exact code, images, logos, or specific text. But here's why cloning is so powerful. It gives you a strong foundation that you can start, edit, and make your own. It saves you a tremendous amount of time from tweaking and building something from scratch, even in the drag and drop builder. And it allows you to quickly launch something professional, even if you are not a designer. Now that I have this ready, I don't want to create another one, so I just want to test if AI Studio can actually recreate that and clone that sales page. So we're just gonna ask clone this sales page for my digital course, digital product, and we're just going to send it. That is going to take a while now, so we're just gonna let it do its magic, and then we're gonna come back here to see the result. Okay, it's ready, and honestly, I am impressed because this is really, really good. I wasn't even checking if I was on the right one. So this is Lovable. This is the one that created in Lovable. And this is the one that is created in AI Studio. It's really good. So as you can see, there are buttons. It's honestly, I am impressed. This is really, really good. Can you imagine if I had to do this all manually and transfer all this information? Okay, here it's giving us some options. So I want to add an email capture. So the great thing about building this in GoHighLevel is because GoHighLevel is a CRM. So this is in beta now, but in the future, everything will be connected and smoothly running. But right now you can connect to your calendar. You can connect to forms in GoHighLevel. So that already makes it a lot easier as well for us. So let's just test that functionality and see how it goes. Okay, here he added a form, but because this is a paid product, I want to actually have a checkout. Let's build a custom checkout page. Okay, let's have a look because it's now ready. And I love this because it's already branded with the whole vibe of the sales page. So I really like it. The only thing that it's not showing here is the person's name. I prefer to have the name here and then the card details below, but I loved it. The whole thing is great. Now we can just publish, click on publish. We can adjust these things. Publish, apply changes, publish. And that's it. The website is now live. And I can use this as my sales page for this low ticket digital product. When I click here, people can just add the information. And of course, we should always double check and run this multiple times just to make sure there's no errors. But the design, everything looks really great. By the way, HighLevel is the software that I use as my CRM to keep everything in one place. If you haven't tested out before, you can test HighLevel for free for 30 days. You can launch your smart AI website that sells your digital products and your courses, see if that works for you, and pay nothing unless you love it. Plus, if you use my link to test HighLevel, you'll also get my YouTube course for free. In AI Studio, you can not only build amazing landing pages like this, but you can also build lead magnets to grow your community and help them by solving micro problems. This AI Studio is also great to build lead magnets. So this is something that you can pick a very small problem that your audience has right now, and you can build a quiz around it. So quizzes have a high conversion rate. People tend to sign up more because they will get something. So we are going to create one using AI Studio just to see how that will look like. So here my prompt is build a friendly and engaging quiz funnel that will act as a lead magnet for marketing strategists that is trying to get leads. Keep it under 10 questions. Let's see how that will look like. I could do this all day. This is so addicting. Building things, like vibe coding things. It's so much fun, and I can't wait to see what else I'm going to be building with this, because it's really cool. Because Lovable has, you have to pay for credits, so you don't want to spend as much, right? But here, because it won't charge you for building things, it's basically unlimited creativity. Right, our quiz is now ready, and it created the entire funnel, including the questions. It connected to the emails. It created even the answers according to the quiz. So let's start here just to see how that looks like. I like the branding as well, so it doesn't have too many questions. It has the email, the form to sign up, and this should connect to my CRM. So I'm not going to connect everything just because I don't want to mess my account. This is just a demo, but you can see how powerful that is, and quizzes are amazing to grow your audience. Now you know how you can clone any website using this AI Studio, but you know that none of that matters if you don't actually have a product that you can sell and help other people and get paid. And that's why I made a video showing exactly how to build your digital product store, how to add your checkout page, how to fill out your products, how to add images, and make your product compelling so people actually want to buy it. So make sure you click on this video next, and I'll see you there. Bye!